And so I would just invite you to look at your passion, your work, your endeavors in being a white ally in a broader context. We need y'all, the world needs y'all to be more effective in reaching people who have a tendency to deny the racial history we have. The world needs y'all to be more effective in that. Now, there's a dilemma. There's several dilemmas, and one of the dilemmas is there's a call to resist right now. Thank God, right? I was on the mall doing a listing project on the day of the march and on the day of the inauguration. I was down there mobilizing white folk to listen to the people who came to first inauguration and then the protest march, to try to understand what are people thinking, what visions of America do they have, how do they conceptualize the other side. The people who came to that march, and we can see that from the last 100 days, they want to fight, they want to win, they want to try to take America back in a certain way. That is important to do. We have to ask ourselves the question, how much energy do we put on that task, a vital task with the level of retrenchment that we are seeing from the current regime, and how much energy do we put on something else, and that is trying to persuade people that we need to look at things differently. Those are different tasks. Winning political victories is a different way of using your energy. It's a different, it calls on different skills than trying to persuade people. Maybe it isn't vital that you spend your time talking to your cousin Dylan or your uncle Skylar, to use really white names. Maybe that is less important than you going to the rallies or you going to the marches. But that's a dilemma that I would invite y'all to actually look at in the face and confront. Now, can you do both? Sure. We'll have limited energy. We have to make decisions. But I guess I just want to acknowledge that given the political environment, given the very long task of trying to rectify the racial inequities and the inequities in general, there's more to be done than we all can do. These problems might outlast us, but we still need to be smart about where we spend our energy and time. This is a real dilemma. I personally believe, as I will continue to say, that we're a little bit too skewed away from that hard work, that hard one-on-one work. So my project is all about that particular task.